Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at WhatsApp and how we can actually stop saving picture or video that come directly in our WhatsApp message. Yes. So here you go. This itself is WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on the WhatsApp right here. And if you notice within the WhatsApp, right, when you click on one of these here, very important here, notice you see this picture right here. And if you scroll up, you see some more pictures and all of that. And all of these pictures actually save in a gallery on your phone, and sometimes you might say it's filling up your phone and all of that. But if you want to stop all the picture from come, what you wanted to do, you're going to press here to and go back. When you press this and go back, you see this three little dot right up here. You're going to click here on the three little dot. So when you click on three little dot, you will see new group, new broadcast, link device. Right here is star message, settings. So you want to click on the word settings. So when you click on settings, you notice you see account, you see chat, you see notification, storage and data and help. But what you want to focus on right here is chat. So you're going to click on chat. So when you click on chat, you see theme, wallpaper, right? Enter send right here, media visibility and font. If you notice right here, media visibility say show newly download media in your phone gallery. So what you want to do is to turn off this. So you're going to click and you turn it off. Right, you're going to go back right here, and that's it. So you go for everybody, right? So very important. So if you want to do it for only for one particular group, whatever, what you can do, first you have to come back right here, and then you're going to turn on back this one here, and then you can go back out by clicking here. Right, so if you want to do this particular one right here, right, you just don't want no message from this to save in the gallery. First thing you do, click on this. So when you click on it, you're going to go up to the three little dot. So you're going to click on the three little dot right here. So when you click on the three little dot, you see view, you see media link, right, and dock, and you see share, you see mute and notification, wallpaper, and see more. So you want to click on the word view. So when you click on the word view, this is what come up right here. You're going to scroll up. You notice right here is a media visibility. Right, you're going to click on that. When you click on media visibility, it says show newly download media from this chat in your phone gallery. So notice it have default right here, and notice it have yes or no. So if it's this particular group or individual that keep on sending you something, filling up your stuff, something you have just come right there and press no. You click right here, so there's a no, and then you come right here, and then you click. So okay, right? So notice window right here, media visibility, you notice it said no, and then you click on OK, and that's it, and then you can go back out and all of that. So very important. That's exactly how you actually stop it. So hope you have learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.